Hello friends, welcome to one more video. I am Jagbir and you are watching JS Industries. So in this video, I am going to show you how to convert your mobile phone into a Lavia. So I'm going to use this microphone and open the voice recorder, and in this video you can see that now it is without that microphone on, and I can sync it afterwards. And click on this record button. Okay. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. You can keep it here. It will still record good amount of your voice, and you can start as it is. So this is with this microphone, and if I will cut it here and again start with this microphone, you can see the difference. Hello everyone, I am Jigbi and you are watching JS Industries. So in this video I am going to show you how to convert your mobile phone into a Lavia. So stop, and you can see the difference in my voice, and now it is again going to the camera, and thank you for watching, and if you like, click that like button, and if you for more information and for more videos, click that subscribe button and notification bell.